This is gonna blow your mind. A question for the ages. Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, there is so much we don't know. One of the biggest questions that has captivated humanity for centuries is, are we alone? Is our universe the only one, or are there others out there, perhaps hidden from our view? The idea of parallel universes, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now being seriously considered by physicists and cosmologists. These theories, rooted in complex scientific principles, suggest that our universe might be just one of many, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. Imagine a reality where dinosaurs still roam the Earth, or where you made different choices, leading to an entirely different life. These are just some of the mind-boggling possibilities that the existence of parallel universes presents. The quest to uncover the truth about parallel universes is a journey into the very fabric of reality itself. It is a journey that challenges our understanding of the cosmos and forces us to confront the profound implications of a reality beyond our own. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the mysteries of the universe. To understand parallel universes, we must delve into the strange world of quantum mechanics. This branch of physics governs matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. Particles exist in superposition, in multiple states at once until observed. Imagine a coin spinning in the air, it's both heads and tails. Observation forces the particle to choose a state. This wave function collapse is where parallel universes diverge. The many worlds interpretation, or MWI, takes this concept of wave function collapse and runs with it. Proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III in the 1950s, MWI posits that every time a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits into multiple universes. In this view, there is no single definitive reality. Instead, there is a constantly expanding multiverse, a cosmic tree with an infinite number of branches. Every decision you make, every coin toss, every interaction at the quantum level spawns a new universe. In the MWI, these alternate realities exist, each as real as the one you experience. The idea of parallel universes is not just limited to the realm of quantum mechanics. Cosmology, the study of the origin and evolution of the universe, offers its own tantalizing clues about the possibility of a multiverse. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from the theory of cosmic inflation. Inflation theory, proposed in the 1980s, suggests that our universe underwent a period of exponential expansion in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid expansion not only explains the large-scale uniformity of the universe, but also predicts the existence of primordial gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time that were recently detected. But inflation theory also leads to a startling conclusion: it might not have happened just once. The theory allows for the possibility of eternal inflation, where the inflationary process continues indefinitely, creating a vast multiverse. Section 5. Bubble universes. Our universe, just one of many. In this scenario, our universe is just one bubble in a much larger cosmic foam. Each bubble is a separate universe, potentially with its own set of physical laws and constants. Some universes might be similar to ours, while others could be radically different, perhaps even unimaginable. Imagine a universe where gravity is weaker, or where light travels at a different speed. These variations could lead to vastly different cosmic structures and even different forms of life. The possibilities, like the multiverse itself, are endless. The idea of bubble universes is still highly speculative, but it's a fascinating consequence of our best understanding of the early universe. It suggests that the Big Bang might not have been a unique event, but rather a common occurrence in the grand scheme of the multiverse. The existence of these other universes remains a topic of intense debate and speculation. However, the possibility that our universe is just one of many is a profound one, forcing us to reconsider our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. Section 6. Black holes. Gateways to other dimensions. Black holes, those enigmatic objects with gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape, have long captured the imagination. But beyond their awe-inspiring nature lies a tantalizing possibility. Could black holes be gateways to other universes? Some physicists believe that the singularity at the heart of a black hole, where matter is compressed to an infinitely small point, could be a portal to another dimension or even another universe. This idea stems from the theory of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels that connect different points in spacetime. Imagine a shortcut through the fabric of reality, a cosmic tunnel that bypasses the vast distances between stars and galaxies. While wormholes remain theoretical, some physicists believe that black holes could be the natural entrances to these cosmic shortcuts. If a black hole were indeed a gateway to another universe, what would it be like to travel through it? The answer, unfortunately, remains elusive. The extreme gravitational forces and unpredictable nature of black holes make them incredibly hostile environments, impossible to explore with our current technology. Section 7. The simulation hypothesis. Is our reality just a program? The concept of parallel universes takes an even more mind-bending turn with the simulation hypothesis. This theory, popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom, proposes that our reality is not what it seems. Instead, we could be living inside a sophisticated computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Imagine a future civilization with computing power beyond our wildest dreams, capable of creating simulated realities indistinguishable from the real thing. In this scenario, our universe and everything in it, including ourselves, would be nothing more than lines of code in a cosmic computer program. The simulation hypothesis is often presented as a thought experiment, but some physicists have taken it seriously, suggesting ways to test its validity. These tests involve searching for subtle glitches in the fabric of reality, anomalies that would reveal the simulated nature of our universe. While the idea of living in a simulation might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, it raises profound philosophical questions about the nature of reality, free will, and our place in the cosmos. Section 8. Multiverse and the Simulation Hypothesis, a Tangled Web. The simulation hypothesis and the concept of the multiverse are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they could be intertwined in fascinating ways. If our universe is a simulation, it's possible that the programmers created multiple simulations, each with its own set of parameters and initial conditions. Imagine a cosmic laboratory where advanced beings run countless simulations, each a unique experiment in cosmic evolution. These simulations could represent different physical laws, different starting points for the universe, or even different fundamental constants. This connection between the multiverse and the simulation hypothesis adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of reality. It suggests that the very fabric of our existence might be far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The implications of living in a simulated multiverse are staggering. It would mean that our reality is just one of countless possibilities, a single thread in a vast and intricate tapestry, woven by beings whose intelligence and capabilities dwarf our own. Section 9. The philosophical implications, redefining our place in the cosmos. The idea of parallel universes has profound philosophical implications. It challenges our anthropocentric view of the universe. In a multiverse, our existence is no longer unique or special. This realization can be both humbling and liberating. It forces us to confront the vastness and indifference of the cosmos. If there are infinite versions of ourselves, what does it mean to be human? The concept of free will also takes on a new dimension. These questions strike at the heart of our understanding of ourselves. Section 10. Ethical considerations. If we're not alone, how should we act? The possibility of a multiverse also raises intriguing ethical considerations. If there are other universes out there, populated by beings potentially more advanced than ourselves, how should we interact with them, if at all? Should we seek to contact them? Or would that be a form of cosmic colonialism? Furthermore, if we were to develop the technology to travel between universes, what responsibilities would come with such power? Would we be obligated to help those less fortunate than ourselves? Or would our actions have unintended consequences in such a delicate and interconnected system? The ethical dilemmas posed by the multiverse are not merely theoretical. As our understanding of the universe deepens, and as our technological capabilities advance, these questions will become increasingly relevant. We must start grappling with them now to ensure that we act responsibly and ethically in a reality that might be far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. Section 11. Conclusion. The great unknown awaits. The existence of parallel universes remains one of the most intriguing and mind-boggling mysteries of our time. From the bizarre world of quantum mechanics to the vast expanse of the cosmos, there is mounting evidence that suggests our reality might be just one of many. While the definitive proof remains elusive, the search for parallel universes is a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit. It is a journey into the unknown, driven by our innate desire to understand the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel the secrets of the universe, we may one day find the answers we seek, or perhaps we will uncover even greater mysteries, pushing the boundaries of our understanding even further. The great unknown awaits, and with it, the potential for discoveries that could redefine our place in the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Your support helps us continue exploring the mysteries of the universe.